Little Pip the penguin waddling by the sea, watching all the seabirds glide so high and free. Look at me, said Pip, I'll fly up to the sky. He flapped his little penguin wings and really tried to fly. Oh, Pip, believe in you. You've got something special too. Birds may soar and wings may flap, but penguins have a different map. Dive right in, splash and glide. You're a champion oceanside. Pip made silly flying hats, one big, one small. He even stacked up fishy crates to make a penguin wall. He jumped up high, he tumbled down, landed on his tail. Seabirds giggled kindly, maybe try a different trail. Oh, Pip, believe in you. You've got something special too. Birds may swoop and wings may flap, but penguins have a super map. Swim right through, zoom and slide. You're a champion oceanside. Jumped in the water, feeling brave and bright. With a splash he shot beneath the waves, a speedy silver light. He zipped past fish, he spun around, he swam so fast and free. I'm a swimming penguin champion, that's the best for me. Oh, Pip, you found your way. Everyone has skills to play. Maybe you don't fly above, but you can swim with penguin love. Be yourself, don't you hide. You're a champion oceanside. Little Pip the penguin, smiling in the sea, being who he truly